Let's take a look at the Husqvarna K770 power cutter. Right out of the box, this saw is ready to go to work. A lot of new features to be excited about in the Husqvarna K770. First and foremost is the new 3-bolt cutting arm. This cutting arm is extra reinforced over previous versions. In addition, it offers SmartTension, a new way to easily tension your blade out on the job site. This system also comes with a new and improved belt and a cooling system in the clutch to give you long life and high performance. On the other side of the saw, we've got a DuraStarter built into the starting system to give you long life in your starter and your recoil. The Husqvarna K770 also comes pre-configured for the installation of Husqvarna fleet sensors. And it's easy as removing the air filter cover and installing a sensor in the pre-configured location on the cover. And then you're ready to go to work with Husqvarna Fleet Services. Then choose your favorite Husqvarna diamond blade and affix it to the saw using the supplied wrench. Then fill the saw with Husqvarna premix fuel and you're ready to go to work.